Okay, so I finally got this drill doctor figured out, and I'm really excited to show you actually how well it does. Let's get started. Okay, so let's take a closer look at this bit. As you can see, yes, it's broke, but then I have a chip here on the flute. I'm gonna take it to the grinder and grind that down past that chip. I'm being careful and gentle so as not to overheat that bit. It's looking pretty good. All right, now we can load it up on the chuck, and I'm gonna run it in through there. I'm gonna tighten it down. We still want it to move. We're gonna load it up on the sharpener, and we're gonna put it on the clamp. What we're doing is adjusting that bit to the angle. Once we have it clamped, I'm gonna set it all the way to the left of the 118 mark. Like it, I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit. Then I'm gonna take it off the sharpener and tighten it up by hand the rest of the way. All right, now let's get our grinder adjusted. We have an option of 118 and 135. 118 degrees and 135 degrees is for harder metals, so we're gonna adjust it to that. Now with our chuck, we're gonna set our chuck in here. We want the pin to ride on the lobe of this chuck. Now we're gonna take our time turning that and be gentle. So let's turn it on. And very gently letting the machine do the work. We're just gonna turn that chuck until we don't hear any more grinding. And then we should have something that looks like this, but we're not done yet. Now we're gonna do the step grind. So we're gonna pull the dust cover off. This white indicator mark is gonna line up with the indicator mark on the grinder. And I'm gonna bob it in there and out so as not to overheat the bit once again. When you do one side, turn it 180 degrees and do the other side. And then we'll have something that looks like this. Look at that. That looks absolutely beautiful. I've never been able to sharpen a bit like this. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and try this out. All right, so load it up on my drill press. This is 1/4-inch steel. This is real time, but look at the metal ribbons coming out of that. That means we got good speed and good pressure, and we're just about through, and we broke through. Look at that. All right, let me turn this magnet off. All right, let's see what we got here. Look at that. Nice, clean hole. Went relatively through pretty quick, and I didn't even use oil. I'm excited. All right, I am for one absolutely excited that I finally pulled the trigger and got this thing. Why it took me so long to get this thing figured out is beyond me. But dude, that's awesome. I'm excited, got me a drill sharpener, drill bit sharpener, and I got my drill bit set back. I wanna thank you for joining me here today on Hector Shop. We'll see you in the next episode. If you like the content we're putting out, please help me grow this channel, hit that follow button, and if you like the video, like it. And if you have any other methods that you use to sharpen your drill bits, please let me know. Put it in the comments, share the video to somebody who might wanna learn about the drill doctor. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next episode.